Hey everyone, welcome back. In this simple tutorial we'll be learning how to create an image of this mobile phone charger. This is inspired from an image from Adobe stock. The link of the image will be in the description. So as you see, we're using pretty basic shapes, and let's get started. Okay. So let me actually code the HTML first. Okay, so these are all the classes we'll be using. This is the body, the cable, the plug, and the shadow. So this thing here is the body, this is the cable, and this is the plug and the shadow. Okay. Now in order to create the other part, we'll be using the box shadow. Okay, now I'll be using the after effect to create this one, this shape, the after pseudo element. Okay. Now in order to create this sign, now there are different ways to create it, but I think the best way to create it is to use the clip path property. So if you search for clip or clippy, there's an online generator, CSS clip path maker from Bennett Feely. So in this case we want to create a shape that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. So if we select the hexagon, which has 6 points, we can create this shape over here. Something like that. Now I'm just so this is pretty much the shape you want to create, and I've already made the percentages over here, so we'll just create it. We're not going to be working here, but if you want like some custom shape to create, you can use this tool. So we'll use this clip path to create the shape, to cut out the unwanted parts. And there we have it. It's as easy as that. Okay, we're done with the connector. Now we're gonna create this cable, and we'll be using like the border radius, the border property, to create this shape, and then we'll use the cable after element to create the other part. It's pretty much a rectangle, but the border top is missing, so we're just using the border from the other sides, but we don't use a border for the top. Okay, now for the other part we'll be using the pseudo element, the after pseudo element. Now it's inherit, so we don't type the same values, because this descendant of the cable element, so it inherits the parent element, the parent values. And now we're gonna rotate it from the top. Rotate X 180 degrees. Okay. Now we're gonna create this plug, which is this part. Okay, and for these white parts of the plug, we'll be using the after pseudo element. And it's over here. And for the other one, we'll be using the box shadow to create the same effect. Okay. And the last thing we need to do is the shadow. And there we have it. We can hide the border from the container. And we're ready with our mobile phone charger. See you guys soon.